Fuck! Fuck!
For anyone that doesn't know, Joe failed 315 the other day. It is what it is, alright?
Oh, is that on camera?
Yeah.
Fuck! Fuck! I was like, who are you talking to?
Yeah.
West toward I-90.
Dude, I miss long car rides, bro. Honestly, like, I love them so much. Like,
Dude, they can be soothing.
driving to, like, just fucking, like, Penn State and back, like, it's just nice.
I think I'm gonna hit 300 first for
Sometimes when you stop looking at the computer screen and shit, and you put your phone down, inadvertently we're using our phones to capture this moment, but when you're not scrolling through Instagram all day, you just look at nature and it's like, holy shit, man, like this is real life.
You gotta get the sign. Oh. What do you have to say, Mr. Mills?
Let me check. We just got out of the car after like a fucking 3.5 hour car ride. My legs are feeling stiff as hell. So thank God we got here early, because if I had to compete tomorrow morning, I'd be absolutely smoked. And I can't get my bag out of the fucking car.
Sean's a bitch. Alright, what's the situation?
Apparently, you have to be 21 to book a hotel room. Even though they let me book it online without disclaiming.
Yeah, how you gonna
Like,
how we gonna pay for a room that we can't even get in?
that's what I'm saying. It doesn't make it. They shouldn't have let me buy it. It's like they didn't. Like, it doesn't make any sense.
What do you have to tell your followers who are gonna have to face the fact that you can't compete anymore?
I'm leaving terrible reviews on your website. I'm going to your supervisor and I want a refund now.
That's what we call a Karen.
Yes.
So the front desk lady called their manager. They hooked it up. We're gonna be able to stay. We're not gonna have to sleep in my car tonight. So we're good. We're chilling for now. But it was a close call. I was afraid we were gonna have to like find somewhere else to stay. I was afraid I was gonna have to make some phone calls and see
Sleep
what's
on the
good.
street?
Yeah, sleep on the street, bro. You're gonna be homeless for 3 days.
Shout out Embassy Suites, baby.
Oh yeah. Yo, complimentary breakfast? No way right now. Yeah, that's good.
I know you want that sausage.
That's.
bro.
Hell yeah. Yo, this joint's hella nice.
See, couple bottle pills. Yeah, yeah. That's how trailer I make a meals. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, what was?
Oh, I know. Like 100% I could have hurt myself in the suit. That's cool.
I don't know why you did it. Alright, so it is like 4:30 in the afternoon.
He's overweight right now.
It's like 4:30 in the afternoon. I weighed in at like 4:30 or 2:32 a second ago. I've just been picking classes all day.
Stop this. We're just gonna walk and you're gonna talk like in the car or something.
Okay.
Because you post all your top sides.
Well, what do you mean?
So
post what?
they need more lifestyle stuff.
What about my lifestyle?
Like you freaking out about classes because you're a dumbass and you use fall 2020 instead of spring 2021.
Okay, that's not my fault. Literally, the
Whose fault is it?
The site's dumb, okay? It didn't play out the way I wanted it to. So that's why you need to go get the groceries while I'm in my car picking a class. Hey guys. Wait, what? Why are you getting so many?
You're gonna need a lot. You're having so many.
I need to have one more today and then I'm gonna have 2 for tomorrow.
To drink during the meet?
No, after.
Alright.
Okay, so this is essentially all we got. We got a bunch of Fairlifes to hit our protein. Not a lot of carbs in it, so for that we got Gatorade just to sip on throughout today and tomorrow during the meet. But really what we're going to want to be drinking is Pedialyte, which is full of like sodium and what? Is it also full of potassium or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Pedialyte, potassium and sodium, just stay nice and bloated. We got some bananas, just more potassium, Ritz crackers, just something to snack on, and like just like keep refilling myself with carbs and sodium throughout the meet. Bagel is just a little something more substantial if I don't feel like eating the crackers. And then Sour Patch Kids, just to keep my energy up, or just like keep the carbs in my body throughout the entire meet. We got some water. That's pretty much it. So.
You gonna explain this stuff or what?
Yeah.
You're gonna want some Harry's on your balls.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna need that.
Okay, let's
No.
I mean,
7 a.m. I don't know if they're letting people. Oh yeah, I think they're letting people in. Weigh-ins start in like 6 minutes, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna start getting warmed up in like an hour. So just chill out until then. But feeling good, feeling well rested.
Look at this kid.
Get ready. Good. Alright, so we just got weighed in. We weighed in at like 102.75 keys. So I'm a couple pounds on it, which is it's fine. But just refueling now, trying to get like everything back in us. We got some Pedialyte, got some bagels, and then later on we got some. Well, we already went through it, but we're just waiting for warm-ups. We should probably start taking like 45 minutes or something like that, and then it's showtime. So yeah. Focus. Yeah. It's looking hot.
Here we go, over on platform number 1. Sean Mills going for 280 kilos. Get it up, get it up, get it up. There we go, let's see. Lift is good over on platform number 1.
Strong to the top, all the way up on platform number 1.
Let's go!
Sean over on platform 1. Lift is good on platform 2. Get it up, get it up, get it up. Yeah. Lift is good on platform 1.
Let's go!
Mills getting ready for his first bench attempt. Let's go, Sean. 167 kilos. 167.5 kilos. That makes all the difference, ladies and gentlemen. Especially on face. Sean's rocking the all-back single. Let's see where we go. And good opener. Let's see what judges say.
All right, I need all judges, spotters and loaders back to platform number 2. All of the judges and spotters and loaders back to platform number 2.
385, folks. I think he's got it. What we say? John Mills with a solid setup. Not quite there. Let's see what he does for his third set, folks. Let's go, Sean. What you got for us, kid?
And that is a good lift on platform 2.
Let's see what the judges say.
18 years old, ladies and gentlemen, Sean.
Let's go, Sean. Go pick that up. What do you say, dude? And it's through the opener. Let's see what judges say. Let's go, Sean. Good shit. Come on, y'all. Let's make some noise for Sean.
Saber to platform 1. We have 2 American records about to go down. 2 American records about to happen live on platform 1.
You better start sprinting the Saber.
You better start sprinting. That's right.
Let's get to the platform and good lift for Sean Mills on platform.
Flex Train Systems on platform 1.
I'm just trying to stay alive and take care of my people. And they don't have no award for that. Trophies. And they don't
Rock her out, Jeremiah.
Let's go, Sean!
Let's see
what these judges have to say. Platform number 2.
Let's see what the judges say for Sean Mills. And the 18-year-old just pulled